Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And here's the box that we're going to be shipping down to Fletchair. Remember, we had some front nose struts that we had to send down to be respindled. Well, I finally got around to packaging them up safely and boxing them up, and here's the box getting ready to go. And of course, once you have to make a box for Fletchair, you got to have some fun. That's what Garner taught me, so stay tuned while we show you some more. Ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Well, we took one of our full color business cards and we used it about where the from would be in the label, and then we made up a label where it shows that it's going to Fletchair down in Comfort, Texas. It's going USPS, so we're sending it to the P.O. box. We also marked it as fragile, and we didn't want them to crush it, so we improvised a do not crush sign. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Hope you're having fun getting parts from Fletchair for your Grumman and having fun flying it. Thanks for watching, folks.